today, guys, I'm at this very, very amazing place here at Pasig Capitolio. And of course, I'm with the fogging chef, Chef Jeremiah.
Yes,
Chef.
good morning, Chef.
So what is our sizzling recipe for today?
Yes, our sizzling recipe for today is one of BullChef's bestseller sizzlers. It's called That's My T-Bone or Sizzling T-Bone Steak.
That's my T-Bone. Sizzling pork kapoor para sa madlang people.
So, lagyan natin siya ulit ng onting oil. Tapos syempre, inahin natin siya. Kasi kailangan sobrang init niya for the T-bone. So, okay na mainit yung ating plate. Dito kailangan lang brush ng oil kasi pag nagiging dry yung plate, medyo pangit yung kinalabasan. So, mas okay, medyo may oil para maluto siya na maayos. Saka maganda nilalapag-lapag parang pamaypay. High fire yung mas okay na gamitin for sizzling.
Ang tropa si Mami at si Daddy, si Lola, si Tito, lahat ay happy.
Yan, so almost medium well na siya. Pwede na natin lagay yung ating buttered vegetable.
Uwi ka na ng choppy.
Yan, so lagyan natin on the side yung ating buttered vegetable. So para medyo ma-heat din siya ng onte.
Medyo mainit ang pangniking kong tapak ko, mahal ko. Sa presyong hindi hasaya.
Okay na yung ating T-bone. Lalagyan na natin yung ating rice. So yan.
Sarap naman talaga.
Lalagyan na natin yung ating gravy. Garlic on top of the T-bone and on top of the rice. Ito na yung ating finished product ng ating That's My T-bone or Sizzling T-bone.
Dito sa ang sarap naman talaga. Lutong bahay pero kakaiba. Busog ka na, napamura ka pa. Kaya ang puso mo'y napapakanta ng
Okay, guys, so this one is an all-time favorite. And you can have this grilled steak throughout the week, no? So from Mondays to Sundays, meron to here at BullChef. Yeah.
It's actually one of our bestsellers.
Yeah.
Dito lahat ay happy. Sa luto namin dito, wala kang masasabi.
Tender.
Lutan mo ang diet.
Nice flavor.
Choppy.
Paano yung marination nito, Chef?
Yung marination na ating That's My T-bone is Worcestershire sauce and then salt and pepper.
So perfect for grilled recipes, especially with meat. You can add some Worcester and salt and pepper. Parang you're made na din, eh? So that's really, really good. And to serve it, to balance things, you have buttered vegetables and rice or mashed potatoes.
Yes, we also have mashed potato here as well.
So you can choose if you want rice or mashed potatoes.
For the T-bone, you can add just a little bit of amount to have a mashed potato. But for some dishes, it's a choice of mashed potato and rice.
Okay. I love rice, you know, Filipino. Right. Perfect. So, Chef, would you like to invite our viewers here at BullChef?
Yes, kung gusto niyo pong matry yung ating niluto na That's My T-bone or Sizzling T-bone, yun po yung isa sa bestsellers po na dito ng BullChef. So, ang BullChef po, hindi lang po sa home of bulalo, home of sizzling steaks din po kami. So, kung gusto niyo po i-try, bisita na po kayo dito sa BullChef, located at number 4 East Capitol Drive, Barangay Capitolio, Pasig City, or call us at 0916-338-3898 or visit us at Facebook, www.facebook.com/bullchef, the Bulalo Chef, or follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We are BullChef.
Okay. Don't go away. Cook It Right will be right back.
Happy. Sa luto namin dito, wala kang masasabi. Kalimutan mo ang diet. Uuwi ka na ng choppy. BullChef Special.